Hello guys, we have an exciting video to talk about the number one stock that's being talked about with tons of volume over the weekend. Coming into Monday, we have EDBL, Edible Garden, and I actually really am liking this stock here. This is how I like to trade these big momentum stocks. And the biggest moves are going to happen when price is kind of near this EMA 20, and then they just, they consolidate for a while, and then they have this massive move, right? So here's what I'm seeing in the chart perspective here. Obviously, you had this EMA 50, which we clearly hit. We went way over, and then we even hit this upper Keltner channel that I customized. And of course, it's unsustainable where price can't maintain this area. A lot of shorts, including myself, would look to buy this if there's shorts available and take it down. Now, where would I like to buy is definitely a pullback to this EMA 5. I've done this with TNXP. I've done it with lots of stocks that do this, but if you have this massive run up and you pull back down kind of to where you start, that is your great area to get in. So depending on where this daily candle up opens, it might be Monday, it might, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever. Obviously, we have the Christmas holidays coming up, December 25th. So I just want to see, a pullback to this EMA 5 and 10. And if I get it at the 5, you can kind of look at what's that percent launch to the 10. It's like a 5%, 6%, 5 to 6% down. And that's where I'm going to average in. I think this is a great opportunity. I like what this company is doing. I think we can get a nice move up. And I'm looking the last time we kind of do something when we get this, have we ever even hit this upper band? Like dramatically like that? Every time I'm looking at it, this has not and has got shorted down. But you can see even when it makes this big move up, you can see we come back down to this EMA 5, and then we had this next big move up, right? From this low to this was another 100% gain, right? Obviously, I was looking, but this is a little different, right? Look at this candle here. We have the EMA 20 at the very bottom. And this is very crucial to know because this EMA 5 is not the bottom. We're starting in an uptrend where this made such a big move where all the EMAs have a crossover, right? Right here we have this big cross because this massive move is 63%. I think this is going to really make a nice solid move up here as long as I get that move down. I'm looking at this EMA 50. It looks like we haven't touched it all the way back in 5/22 of 2024, and we finally touched it in December. So we know the EMAs are going to get hit. They have to. All reversions mean happen. You can see price is constantly going up and touching these. Every play is getting shorted at the EMA 50. Here short, here short, here short, and it's hard to maintain. So that's why you don't want to chase these stocks. You want to wait for that pullback. This is kind of the move that I'm kind of seeing, actually, that I'm seeing. You see this massive, whoa, this is insane. 9/01/2023, look at this big massive spike up, went way above the Keltner channel. We come crashing back down to this EMA 5, 10, and 20 where the loading zone would be. And I'm kind of curious what kind of news they had here. Obviously, this one did not work out, and so that's why you got to be cautious. This one did though. Maybe we get some kind of... Okay, I see what happened here. We had this one right here. We come all the way back down to this 20. We had this next big move up. This is kind of what I'm kind of hoping we get, is this next leg up. And you can see we kind of consolidate. And then we had this next massive thing that was way over this high. So I'm not going to keep... I know this is a penny stock. I know you can't keep... you're not supposed to hold this long. So this is the kind of the pattern I'm seeing where you get this. Maybe look for this EMA 20. That's probably what we can maybe get. I'm going to personally put a smaller size on the 5, put a size on the 10, and then put a bigger size on the 20. So if we come back to these areas here, that's where I'm going to look to get into. It looks very similar to that other thing where we had this here. We go all the way back down to the 20, and then we make a new high up in the air. And then if it goes all the way back down, I'm not going to play it again. This is the kind of setup you just want to play it one time for that next bounce. If you keep playing it over and over again, what happens is support resistance keeps getting hit. Those EMAs are your trampoline. When you come back down to that 20, yeah, you expect to get a bounce there. But if you keep touching it, like that last example where it just broke all the way through, is because you touched it multiple times. And that's why these are penny stocks. They can release bad news, and the trend can change in a heartbeat. But as of now, the EMAs are curling up. We're starting to form a mini uptrend. This is a very exciting play. 354 million volume. This has tons of hype. And I actually played this in the Discord If you guys remember, I did a trend reversal. You see how we haven't touched this EMA 5 for quite some time. We had nice volume here. I was looking for a price to come back up to this EMA 5, 10, and 20, and that's what we did here. From these lows to all the way to this 20 was a 67% gain. That's my trend reversal strategy, is when I look for price to have multiple candles not touching it, because the one thing that is going to happen is you're going to touch your EMAs. I have formulas and calculations when it's long and extreme, and we look for that to happen. Well, now that we are making a big move up, well, now I got to figure out, well, how do I continue with the trend, right? Play with the momentum. So this is a momentum side of thing where everyone knows about this stock. A lot of people are getting in, without any entries and, precision. I think this is all in the no man's land. When we're well above the CMA 20 like here, we need to kind of wait for a pullback. Let the market do that retest pattern. It's looking like right in here, it could easily come back and test the uppers of this. So maybe, come back to here where the EMAs you got to understand too, the EMAs are going to go up every day. So that's kind of the area I would like for them to come back and retest this support, and then make that next leg higher. So I hope that analysis helps you guys. I hope you guys understand, like, if ever get near this upper band, if you're holding a position, you need to get the heck out of the trade, because this is where shorts come in, and this is where you can play the bear side of the coin and short it down too. So if you guys want to join the premium Discord, you guys are always more than welcome to do it. I have a Discord here. It looks like this. If you click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, please read how to subscribe. If you're using an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer or your phone's browser like Safari or Google, and then you can use your phone just as normal. If you hit day trade alerts, that's the easiest way to do it. I have a very unique strategy here that I'm going to discuss a little bit, but for day trade alerts, you'll give you the highest tier for $12 a month, and it will never go up in price, and it is a solid deal. And I promise you guys, you're going to learn so much information that I've unlocked over years and years of trading, and it compiled into one Discord. That's a great community. $12 a month, you're going to get swing trades and day trades for that price. My live streams, mentorship, premium chat, which you can talk to lots of other traders doing the strategy or hear out other ideas. I think it's really nice. Day trading is my absolute favorite. That's the only way to make money consistently every day. I have a very nice strategy of selling options that I think you guys are going to love, and I teach it all in my day trading education videos here. But if you hit server shop in here, you can read about both my memberships. If you just want swing trades, it's $6 a month, and if you just want both, which is I recommend, is $12 a month for the day and swing trading plus. All right, this is EDBL. I'm going to watch this one. I'm going to put this to my watch list. I'm going to see if we get a pullback and a retest to my areas. I'm going to watch how these EMAs go in. I'm also going to look at the 15-minute chart and see if maybe we can get a pullback down to this lower ATR4, which is where we get a nice bounce. And you can see also getting a pullback to this EMA 50. This is where you get the uptrend continuation. Just like what I discussed with on the daily, how we're looking for price to come back to this EMA 20, right? And it takes a little longer because of daily. Look how accurate this is on a lower time frame. We hit this upper band. We know this is sell zone, so price comes back down for buyers to get in, which is near this EMA 50. And just for this EMA 50, to a T, the algos hit it, and it did a beautiful 86% pump after hours there. Wow, that is insane, right? So definitely look into that. I like to use that. And then, but honestly, for me, I'm looking for that daily to really show me something. So this went down to 21 cents. That's got pretty close right up in this region here, and then it had a nice little spike up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope to see you in the Discord. Let's make some money. This is the #1 trending stock. I am very bullish on it. Whenever a stock hits this upper band here, you can expect a retest type pattern to come back down and then make another high. That's what I've seen a lot, but don't keep rinsing and repeating it. Play it one time, make your nice percentages. I'm looking for at least 10 to 20% gains on penny stocks to make it worth it, and then we'll go from there. So hope you guys like this video. Give a like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the next one.